Isaiah 41:13. For I am the Lord your God, who takes hold of your right hand and says to you, do not fear, I will help you.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to comment down below, like, and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get straight into it. So I'll be using the Smart Braid Prestreched XPRESSION, and this is in the color 30. And I would also be using the Impression Dip Twist hair for this hairstyle. This is the curly hair that I'll be using. And I would also be using a Gummy edge control. So guys, I had literally 24 hours to get my hair done. I wanted to do the island twist, but I did not have enough time to do that hairstyle. Guys, when I say I was so stressed and tired, because I needed to do something quick to my hair because I was going to visit my family outside London and I wanted my hair done. But I just felt like I didn't have enough time to do the island twist because I really want the island twist to be way tinier than this. So I had to figure out what to do to my hair that doesn't take that much time. So I decided to do knotless braids with curls in between. As you guys can see, I did prep my hair the night before just so that it would be way more easier for me. I just went ahead and used rubber bands just to hold my hair, and when I'm about to braid my hair, I just take off the rubber bands and I start braiding. So I'm starting with my natural hair, as this is knotless braids. I wanted it like medium large. I feel like they're not all the same size. Like I said, this is something that I just wanted quick. So yeah, this is such a quick and cute hairstyle. As you guys saw, I did start braiding with my natural hair first before I start attaching the expression. I just make sure I keep adding hair just so I can get it to the size that I wanted. And then once I finish doing that, I just go ahead and start adding the curls. So yeah, once I flip the hair forward, I just go ahead and add the curls in between, and I take out the curls and place it somewhere. You can use a hair clips or just place it somewhere on your hair, and then you keep braiding. Make sure the tip of the curly hair is placed into what you're braiding, if that makes sense. That doesn't need to be out. You just basically need the longer part of the curly hair to be out. So I just go ahead and keep adding more expression. Just like I said, I wanted this hairstyle to be a bit like medium size, so I just kept on adding more expression, and I kept on adding more strings of the curly hair. I think I went ahead and added 4 in each braids. Yeah, I think I added 4 in each braids, and some of them I think I had 3, especially at the back. But when I came to the front, I wanted more of the curly hair just so that I can have more curls. So yeah. So guys, today's scripture is another reminder that God is always with you. God is literally by your side. God is the one that take hold of your hands whenever you're going through situations, whenever you feel like you're alone, whenever you feel like, you know, the problems of this world is getting to you and you don't know what to do. Always remember that God is by your side. God is holding your hand, and God will always fight for you. So that's just a reminder for today. Make sure you keep, having faith. Make sure you keep believing in God and never give up. No matter the situation, God is always there by your side, holding your hand every step of the way. So yeah, that's just today's scripture. Just a little reminder. For this hairstyle, I really don't need to be talking too much because, as you guys can see, it's very straightforward. Like, very straightforward, especially if you can braid your own hair. It's very, very straightforward. For this tutorial, I am using the top tucking method, which is placing the hair from the top and then, tucking it in. Whereas you also have under tucking method, which I am not using right now. I do have a video on how to do the top tucking method and the under tucking method. So that's all I'm doing for this hairstyle. Like I said, I don't think I need to be talking too much because it's very straightforward. It's such an easy tutorial, such a cute and easy hairstyle. So yeah, you guys just sit back and enjoy and just watch me braid my hair. So now I'm just on the last braid. As you guys can see, this was very easy and very straightforward. So I'm just doing the last braid now, and I'm making sure I braid this all the way to the end, because I did go ahead and dip this hair in hot water, and I'm just using the, you know, towel to tap the top of my hair just to remove all those extra edge control. And I'm just going ahead to use the beach wave mousse, and I'm just applying this. This is just to help define the curls and to also lay down any flyaways, and like I said, to just take away, you know, the edge control as well. And as you guys can see, it's really defining the curls. I feel like this is one of the best curly hair I have used so far on myself, because this is not human hair, but it does have a touch of a Remy hair, so it doesn't get too tangled like the Cherish hair. So I would actually recommend this hair if you can't afford like human hair. This doesn't, you know, tangle that much, especially if you can maintain it with mousse and water. Right now I'm doing this voiceover, I still have the hair on. I think I've had it for like 3 weeks, going to 4 weeks, and you know, it still looks good actually if I just, you know, maintain it, but I can't be bothered. So yeah, so I would recommend this hair. If you guys want to get this, I would recommend this instead of the Cherish hair. So I did go ahead and also did my edges. As you guys can see, I have no makeup on because I finished doing this hair around 1 a.m. in the morning. I had no time to do any makeup, and guys, I am still a fine babe, boo. I am still a fine babe. I can go on without makeup. You see that skin? Can you guys see the skin? I am glowing, man. But yeah, I just feel like I had no time to do any makeup, but the purpose of this video is for you guys to just see how I achieved the hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys loved this, you know, knotless with curls. I hope you guys like the color as well. So let me know what you guys think in the comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.